Welcome to Smart Kitchen Products Hub. Today we're reviewing the Ninja Air Fryer Pro AF142. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro is a 5-quart air fryer designed for healthier everyday cooking. It offers 5 cooking functions and uses hot air to produce crispy food with little or no oil. Powered by a 1750-watt heating system, it cooks quickly and evenly. From frozen fries to chicken and vegetables, it delivers reliable results. Air Crisp technology circulates hot air around the food, creating a crispy outside while keeping the inside tender and juicy. This air fryer can air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, making it suitable for a wide variety of meals. Enjoy healthier versions of your favorite foods while using very little oil. It's ideal for vegetables, chicken, seafood, and frozen snacks. The large 5-quart basket provides enough space to prepare meals for the whole family in one cooking cycle. It's also perfect for weekly meal prep, helping you cook multiple healthy meals in less time. Despite its generous capacity, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro fits comfortably on most kitchen countertops. Some of its best features include powerful heating, crispy cooking with less oil, 5 cooking functions, large capacity, easy controls, dishwasher-safe basket. The main drawbacks are its slightly larger size, some fan noise during cooking, and a higher price than basic air fryers. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro delivers excellent cooking performance, simple operation, and healthier meals with less oil. It's a great choice for families, meal preppers, and anyone looking for a reliable air fryer in 2026. Thanks for watching Smart Kitchen Products Hub. Like, subscribe, and find today's Amazon link and full review in the description. See you next time.